Welcome to Cooking with Pina. Today I'm going to make a potato pie, which is a side dish which could be used with a meat dish or a vegetable dish. Here are the ingredients. 2.5 pounds of mashed potatoes, 1.5 cup of gruyere cheese, 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs, 1 cup of chopped Italian parsley, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 3 large eggs, 2 cups of ham, 1/2 cup of pepperoni, some slices of gruyere cheese. Before I start mixing the potato pie, I'm going to tell you about the dishes. You need to butter the dish and then sprinkle with breadcrumbs. It is very important to have that first so that it's easy. Once you have mixed the potatoes, it's easier to transfer to the dishes. The first thing you do, you start mixing some cheese into the potatoes. Okay. Then you can put in some heavy cream. You don't have to put all at once. And the eggs. A little bit of mixing it up like this. And just pour it in. And start mixing a little at a time. Make sure you get all the potatoes mixed in. It's a very easy dish, but it's important to have all the ingredients right to your fingertips. The next thing I like to put in is the parsley. Just put as much as you like. It makes the dish look nice as well. And some salt. Of course, salt is to your taste. As I said, I put some cheese, and cheese has some salt, so I'm not going to put all the two teaspoons. So, my mother used to make this dish a lot. It was a very interesting way she made it. My mother lived in Italy, and I was there too when I was a young girl. My mother used to make it on the fire, in the fireplace. So she would put a lid on the top and put hot coals so it would have heat from the top and from the bottom. It was a really nice, something that I've never forgotten. So you need to have, I can see it's a little bit dry, so you need to have a little bit more cream. And you start by putting the potatoes at the bottom, like this. Just lay it down like this. So you need to make like as if it was a lasagna in two tiers. And in between you're going to put some of the salami. And here we are. I'm going to put some ham. And to make it a little bit more interesting, a little spicy, put some pepperoni. This is all to your liking. You could use whatever. You could use prosciutto, for example. It's also good. But for this dish, I chose to use gruyere. And now I'm going to use some sliced gruyere. Just put it over. So when it's cooked, hopefully it'll be very nice and gooey and delicious. And you can sprinkle a little bit more cheese. You can never put too much cheese. And now you put another layer of potatoes on top. And then repeat the same thing as you did before. Because I put eggs in there, it will rise. It will sort of makes it nice and tall. So I'm not going to put more potatoes in it. For the top, you need to use some breadcrumbs. and then dot it with some butter. Not too much, just some butter on top. Yeah. And this is ready now to be placed in the 375-degree oven. And now the potato pie is done, and it's time for the tasting. And here we are. And it looks quite nice. Looks very cooked. Oh, look, it's so delicious looking. It's heavenly. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to hear from you and let me know how you like this recipe. Arrivederci, alla prossima volta. Ciao.